Hey all y'all, just to let y'all know, if you're seeing this right now, I have had a baby boy, and that's why I am not in class for you in person folks. Um, what I want to do real quick is just introduce your assignment because you will have a sub for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of this week. I will be back Thursday unless something dramatic happens. Um, but let me show you real quick what we're going to go through. Let me just kind of go back and forth between screen sharing and not. First off, this is where this video is. Second, this is an artist research poster project, which if you were in class, then I showed you this last week. Okay, here is this poster, and this is also in your modules too. So if you're a sales student or if you're someone who's just absent at home and want to get a head start on this before you get to school this week, what it is at the very back, you have 144 different artists that you can choose from. You have to pick one of those that is on this list, unless there was one student, I believe, who came to me and asked me if they could do someone else, and was so proactive that I said yes. What you're going to do is you need to answer every question that's in here. Like, it's just easy things like date of birth, date of death, cause of death, country they're from, those things. Biography info means you're going to have to do a little research on them. Okay, and one thing that I like that is on this worksheet is here. It says you list the websites you use for references. That is something that is critical in art history, is to always have accurate resources. This assignment I'm letting you use Wikipedia and all the things that aren't necessarily considered academic resources that you wouldn't be able to use in a college class. But for the purpose of this class, I'm going to allow you to do that. You have to fill out all of these things before the sub will give you your piece of poster board. You're going to have about a 12-inch by 18-inch piece of poster board that she will give you once you are ready to move on and progress with that. Because when you turn in this major assignment, you are going to turn in both this packet along with the poster board. This is worth half of your grade, and the poster board is worth half of your grade. So if you skip this all and just do the poster, it's a 50. If you just do this packet and don't do the poster, that's only a 50. Okay, you have to have both of these things in order to get the grade that you want or deserve. So please, please, please do this. Like I said, it is a major grade. Since I'm going to be out this week, there's not a whole lot of drawing with it. There's not a whole lot of that. Yes, you have to make a poster, but it explains how I want you to make the poster completely on this. And there are 4 examples here on the cover that you can see. So, big one. If you have questions, I still will be checking my email. So, and if you message me in Canvas, it sends it to my email. So I'll have that with me, and I should be at home by this point. I should be home this weekend with the baby, but I'm just taking off some few days to help my wife and also to spend some time with my new son. So, I'll have my computer up and around, and so if you have questions, please don't hesitate, and I will be back on campus on Thursday. You have to send this. The substitute will pick these up for those people of you that are in class, but you people that are my sales students and won't be in class, you have to still turn these in to me through Canvas like you have everything else. Okay, and then moving forward, then your next thing you have is this design element value worksheet right here, which this first page explains how you kind of do it, and down here is the actual worksheet itself. Now, with everything with these worksheets and things like that, if you are doing them from home and you don't have access to a printer, like I always say, draw on a piece of notebook paper, the examples, do those, and just complete the exercises. Just you're going to have to draw your box. You don't have to copy all the text and everything, but just show me that, hey, you looked at the worksheet, you did it. And I've had plenty of students do that, and they've done a great job at that, so I appreciate that. In that same, just like that from before, I want you to do the same thing with this. So there's that, and then here. And then the other one, which is going to be the design elements form worksheet, it's going to be almost exactly the same thing, but just with a different design element. Oh, too far. So, so that is right here, this design elements form. Then you also have this Vans customization, which you guys already should know about this. This was from last week's assignments, but it's due this Friday. I didn't have that due because I had a couple other assignments due this last week. So please make sure you turn this in. Same thing. You don't have this? Draw a picture, turn it in, or if you can print out the form and color on that, go ahead. Or the students I had in class, I talked to you all about doing it, going on to Vans.com and customizing your own, but it has to be with an original piece of your work. in that shoe design somewhere. So you guys please work on that for me. Work hard on that. There's no excuse for not doing this work. You have plenty of time. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I just want to go through real quick, just make sure nothing. Okay, that's all the worksheet. That's customization. So that's where your 4 assignments are turned in right here. Please get all those turns in. Like I said, I'll be back on campus on Thursday, but if you have any questions, please email me. If you don't make it to class or you're remote, please remember to continue to do your attendance assignments. And I think that's it, y'all. Y'all have a great week, and I will see you guys on Thursday, first thing in the morning. So I'll talk to you guys later. Y'all have a great week without me. I'll shout at y'all soon.